Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something really different from the normal. So we're learning how to make a shirred dress, and it's going to be a very interesting one. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Now I decided to use African prints. If you want, you can use chiffon, you can use satin, you can use crepe, whatever fabric you decide to, but I'm using African print. So I've already folded my fabric on the table, as you can see, and this is the fabric, okay, and it's already on fold here, and I'm using the whole length of the fabric. Now for the width, what you're going to do is you multiply your waist circumference measurement by 1.5. Yes. So if your waist is 30, multiply by 1.5, okay? So that's going to be the width of the fabric, but you know it's on fold, okay? Yeah, so after you finish getting what you know, your measurements, you just fold the fabric into two, that's all. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and do a 0.5 inch hemming at the top. This is the top, the neckline of the dress, like so, and the bottom. I'm going to fold 0.5 inch twice, like this. So I'm hemming both the neckline and the hem of the dress. So I'll go right away to my sewing machine and do just that. Okay, so I'm done with the hemming. Don't forget it's 0.5 inch twice. Okay, so this is it. This is the top of my dress, or the neckline, and this is the hemline of my dress, or the bottom. Next thing you want to do, you want your shirring to be even. So you're going to use your ruler to draw straight lines, horizontal line actually, from one end to the other, 0.5 inches apart. Okay, if you want the shirring to get to the hip line, you can extend it. If you want to shirr the full length, you can do that. Okay, I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet, but the least you should just use your waistline actually. The next thing, to make this dress, you're going to be needing elastic thread. I'm going to show us how it looks like now. It's not the normal regular thread. So this is my elastic thread. I'll replace the normal thread that we normally add in the bobbin to the elastic thread. I hope that made sense. Yeah, this is my bobbin. So the elastic thread will be reeled into the bobbin instead of the normal thread that we use, just for the bobbin. But the normal passing of thread on the machine, you're going to be using normal thread, but the elastic thread will be inside the bobbin. Don't stretch it too much and don't make it too loose. You can see the way I'm just reeling it manually. So this is how you do it because it's elastic, okay? So just make sure you do like 2 or 3 down so that you don't keep, reeling and reeling. So I'll just go ahead and sew on the lines. I've already fixed my bobbin back into the shuttle. So I'll just go ahead and start sewing on the horizontal lines, okay? Like I said, you can do it to the waistline, to the hip line, whatever you want to. Oh, fantastic. Yeah. You can see the effect of the elastic thread. Can you see? Yeah. I forgot to mention, please, you're sewing on the right side, please. You're sewing on the right side. So the elastic thread will be showing on the wrong side. Then I have 4 stripes here. The length depends on how long you want it to be, but this is about, I think, 10 inches each for the length of the stripes. Yes, I want the straps to be adjustable. So if you like, you can shirr it up to the bottom or to the hip line, but I stopped at the waistline. So actually it depends on what you want. Now I'm going to fold the dress into 2 like so, and sew 1/2 inch all the way down. I told us it's so easy. It's very easy to make. I've joined it together like so. This is the neckline of the dress. Can you see? Oh, beautiful. So don't forget, you're sewing on the right side. Don't forget this. And these are my stripes. So I'll just place the stripes 2 in front and 2 at the back, and the dress is done. Can you see? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.